Draw Learning. Hello guys, welcome to Draw Learning channel. Today we are going to draw a notebook for school while we learn Spanish. We draw the rectangle that in Spanish is said rectángulo. This is a very easy drawing. Easy in Spanish is fácil. This notebook is great for writing things down at school. School in Spanish is COLEGIO. These are the rings, which in Spanish is ANILLA. We draw their adorable eyes. Adorable in Spanish is adorable. Be careful, they are spelled the same but pronounced differently. We draw his smiling mouth. Mouth in Spanish is said BOCA. It's time for the question of the day. How do you say notebook in Spanish? At the end of the chapter, we will know it. Now let's fill the drawing with color. Let's go with the blue color. That is said, AZUL. This is the book cover, which in Spanish is PORTADA. Let's see if you know the answer. Notebook in Spanish is CUADERNO. Fantastic! You have got it right. Very good. If you liked the video and you want to see more, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next drawing.